I know you are the one who's still clicking on this add contact button and adding the contacts manually in your Vtiger. Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically add leads to your Vtiger CRM. And yes, this is true that you can do this without any manual intervention. What you have to do is you just have to use Pabbly Connect and create a connection in such a way that whenever you're going to receive a new lead, automatically a new contact will be created in your CRM. And yes, this is true. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. And in order to open the workflow builder, first of all, log in inside Pabbly Connect. For that, if you are an existing user, you can come on the dashboard directly. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, so you have to click on this create workflow button and then create from scratch. Now you have to select the workflow builder. There are two options, the classic one and stable and familiar approach. The new one is modern, faster and flexible, so if you wish you can definitely select this. Now for the workflow name, enter the name of your workflow and then select the folder in which you want to save this workflow. If you wish to create folders inside Pabbly Connect, over here is the add folder button. You can check it out, otherwise the documentation is attached if you want to learn more about this folders section right over here. Alright, now just click on this create and your workflow builder is going to open. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads right over here and then select Google Ads. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now it is giving me the webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, you can see I've added this name, email and phone number, and now you're going to see that this is the lead form which I'm just going to connect with Pabbly Connect. For that, just scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this and you're going to see that it is asking for the webhook URL. So just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow right over here. For the key, just enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. Once we capture the test data, you will have two options. The first option is continue using this test lead details and add these details in your Vtiger, and it is going to run perfectly fine whenever you receive a new lead further in future. The second option which you have is you can click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and wait until you receive a real lead in real time. I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details because it is going to save you a lot of time. So just close this and click on this add new action step. What we're going to do is we're going to add the lead details in our Vtiger CRM. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Vtiger right over here and select Vtiger CRM. For the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Vtiger and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking me for the username, access key and domain. So to get all of these free, what you have to do is first of all you have to open your Vtiger account, go on the profile picture and then my preferences. Once you're on this my preferences, you're going to see over here is the username which is the email address. So just copy and paste it right over here. The next which we have is this access key. So you're going to see this access key also in the my preferences. Just copy and paste it right over here. Make sure to erase any spaces which come over here. For the domain, just open your Vtiger, copy the whole URL and paste it right over here. So the domain will only be after this https / and before this /view. So delete everything, just keep it as still.com and then click on this save and your Vtiger account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And once we're going to click on the save, it is saying connected. Now select the contact type. So I'm just going to select it as lead right over here. For the first name, I'm just going to enter the first name of my lead, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we're just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I've mapped this first name, last name, then assigned to. I've just selected it right over here. For the email, I've mapped the email. For the title, I want to leave it as blank, so I'm just going to switch on this mapping button and erase this and keep it as blank. For the office phone number, I'm just going to put a slash and then search for the detail which I wish to map. So if you wish to map the detail, just put a slash and then search for the detail. Alright, after mapping the details which are required, I'm just going to click on this say and send test request. It is asking for many other details. If you wish, you can definitely map it. It is saying success true. This means that we have successfully created a new contact in Vtiger. So let's open our Vtiger and we're going to refresh this contact list. Once we're going to refresh this contact list, you're going to see a new contact is added right over here, be the first name, last name, email or phone number. The details are added right over here. Not only for this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this Google Ads campaign, automatically the contact will be created in Vtiger and the lead details will be added to my CRM without any manual efforts. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.